Chinese Massif. Yes. Then he said that peninsular India, and he talked about African Brazilian. What he said that? I said that in the Brazilian that I said that African this is what? Brazilian, that is an African Indian and all. African silt. Understood? And Australia and Antarctica. Which I said that? He said that Australia and these are the different cratogens he talked about. Which are the cratogens he talked about? Canadian silt, able to locate? Canadian silt, Baltic silt, Siberian silt, Chinese Massif, Peninsular India, then African silt, Brazilian silt, Australia and Antarctica. These are the cratogens he talked about. Understood? And cratogens में कौन सा लैंड को फोरलैंड कहा जाता है, that is clear. And then he said that, अब देखो ध्यान से, तो कोबर ने क्या बोला? That is in a completely illogical. This is when I said that one land mass is existing. Which land mass? Next point we are going to see. After talking about cratogens, he said that there is a land mass is existing, a large land mass of Pacific. And I said that, so in the form of, I said that Kober considered Pacific Ocean have to be formed when the mid-Pacific geosyncline separate the North and South Pacific foreland. तो यहाँ पर क्या है, वन पैसिफिक लैंड का मास इज सम टाइप्स ऑफ एग्जिस्टिंग, इट इज देयर, एंड देयर इज एन, आई सेड दैट देयर इज स्टार्टेड सेपरेटिंग अवे. और आपको ही पता कैसे सेपरेट होता है, अभी मैंने दिखाया था, ड्यू टू द कॉन्ट्रैक्शन समवेयर इट इज एन सेपरेटिंग समवेयर. सो दे स्टार्टेड सेपरेटिंग अवे, एंड देन व्हाट हैपन, वन जियोसिंक्लाइन हैज बीन फॉर्म्ड इन द मिडिल पार्ट ऑफ द पैसिफिक, एंड देन slowly which are formed, North Pacific and South Pacific. He said that Kober considered the Pacific Ocean to have been formed when the mid-Pacific geosyncline separated the North and South Pacific along with their cratogens and what is in a foreland. तो ये अलग से एक explanation दे रहे हैं, which is not within what he has talked about cratogen. And then later on this geosyncline has been filled with water and he identified. अब यहाँ पर ये क्या हो गया, अब ये क्या हो गया, it has been moved away and there has been formed of what is the name, this section has North Pacific, this section is, I said that, South Pacific, and यहाँ पर क्या हो गया, filled up with water and that become a Pacific geosyncline, mid-Pacific geosyncline. After discussing foreland cratogen, he said that there is a Pacific geosyncline formation. Pacific geosyncline कैसे बना? Clear? Clear? क्या क्या इन्होंने एक्सप्लेन किया? First, what he explained? First he explained that there is an first he explained क्या बोला? That there is a plates, and then whatever it is happening which is moving over the earth's surface due to the what? Cooling of upper earth crust, and that cooling that has resulted into what? Contractional force, and this contractional force led to the formation of geosyncline, and during that there is an also formation of some cratogens and foreland. And he has given some cratogens, and these cratogens are Canadian silt, Baltic silt, Siberian silt, Massif, Chinese Massif, Peninsular India, African silt, Brazilian silt, Australia and Antarctica. Understood? Thereafter, another explanation, he said that formation of mid-Pacific geosyncline. Earlier, this these four lands would started separating and formation of mid-Pacific Ocean. ये बात करने के बाद, he has given this morphometric units. This is clear. Another, मैंने बोला दो मैप बनाना होगा. After that, Pacific formation. What are the two things he has been able to explain? Mid-Pacific geostring line. Next point that he is going to explain about, he has taken some morphometric units. Do it fast. And morphometric unit simply says that it consists of, I said that, ocean. And if I talk about, आप लोगों ने अफ्रीकन प्लेट को यदि बोलोगे अकॉर्डिंग टू प्लेट टेक्टोनिक, which is an African plate? What is African plate? यदि आप लोग देखते हो तो यहां से आप देखते हो ये है, यस दिस इज एन रीज, ध्यान से पहले देखें, एक रीज आप यहां पे देखते हुए बनते हुए देखते हो, एंड दिस इज एन मेडागास्कर. तो इन्होंने क्या कहा, व्हाट ही सेड दैट what are the morphometric means a piece of land which includes continent and ocean. So he said that Africa, parts of Atlantic, Madagascar and parts of Indian Ocean. What he said that he took some morphometric units. इन्होंने explain में use नहीं किया, but he has given the idea there is some morphometric units are morphological, yes or not, measured some land mass on the surface. So इन्होंने morphometric unit based on the surface feature of the earth during the Mesozoic era. अब पहला क्या लिया, Africa together with some parts belonging to Indian and Atlantic Ocean. He has taken this. Second, he talked about Indian Australian landmass. What he talked about? Second, morphometric metric units. Another, he has taken what? Eurasian. Which one I said that? He talked about Eurasian landmass. Understood? ये भी आप लोग भी जानते हैं. And then what we are not knowing, he said North Pacific, which I said that morphometric units. North Pacific continent, Southern Pacific continent, morphometric units. Another morphometric units he takes is South America and Antarctica. These are the morphometric units he has taken. And यदि deep में जाओगे तो थोड़ा सा अलग से explanation है. So which are the morphometric units he has taken? Simple. Africa with some parts of sixth period of morphometric units, I said that आप जानते हैं कि there is an, एक दिन मैंने बताया था Paleozoic, and there is an, I said that Mesozoic, thereafter we have what? Cenozoic. Understood? And perhaps you remember in a very small I am saying, and that is existing around, आप कुछ भी कर सकते हो, 570 to 220, 220 to 70, and this is 72%, 70 million years. Paleozoic, and इसका फर्स्ट जो आपका पीरियड है, आपको याद होगा मैंने बोला था इस पल का कॉस्ट कौन पे करेगा? डीसीपी पे करेगा. पल मीन्स पैलियोलिथिक कॉस्ट, कैम्ब्रियन, ऑर्डोवेशियन, सिल्यूरियन एंड टी इज स्मॉल, उसका टी का मतलब कुछ नहीं है. देन कॉस्ट डीसीपी, डिवोनियन, कार्बोनिफेरस एंड पर्मियन. These are the what? Different. Within the era, there is a different periods are there. और ये which period it is? I said that Cambrian period. Which I said that? Yes. And I said that this is Cambrian. तो इसके पहले वाले को क्या बोलूँगा मैं?